Welcome to Uncomplicated Diabetes, the channel where you find the best tips for managing your diabetes and improving your blood sugar in a simple and practical way. In today's video, we're going to talk about blood glucose monitoring, an essential tool for those living with diabetes. We'll explain why it's so important, how to do it correctly, and share some tips to make this routine easier and more efficient. So, if you want to learn all about blood glucose monitoring, keep watching. First, let's understand why monitoring blood glucose is so crucial. Keeping track of blood sugar levels helps prevent long-term complications like heart problems, nerve damage, and kidney disease. Additionally, it allows you to make adjustments to your diet, physical activity, and medication according to your body's needs. By monitoring regularly, you gain a clear view of how different foods and activities affect your glucose levels, helping you maintain your health. Now, let's talk about how to monitor blood glucose correctly. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This is crucial to avoid any contamination that could alter the reading. Next, prepare your glucose meter and lancet. Insert the test strip into the meter and use the lancet to make a small prick on the side of your finger. Apply the drop of blood to the test strip and wait for the reading on the meter. It's important to record the results to track your glucose trends over time. In addition to regular monitoring, some tips can make this routine more efficient. Try to measure your blood glucose at consistent times, such as before meals and at bedtime. Always use test strips that are within their expiration date and stored properly. Remember to keep your meter clean and calibrated according to the manufacturer's instructions. Another tip is to vary the sites of the pricks to avoid skin hardening and potential infections. Finally, it's essential to seek regular medical guidance. Your doctor can help interpret the results and adjust your treatment as needed. Never change your medication without consulting a healthcare professional. Remember, blood glucose monitoring is a powerful tool, but it should be used in conjunction with other diabetes management strategies such as a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and, when necessary, medications. So, did you enjoy the video? If these tips were helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave your comment below with your questions and suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.